Arthur C. Newby was born and raised near Monrovia, Indiana, but owned land in Mooresville that became an important part of local education. Newby was an early bicycle and automobile manufacturer and co-founded the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. He moved to Indianapolis in 1881 seeking employment and was a middle manager for the firm of Nordyke and Marmon. In the 1890s, Newby co-founded the Zigzag Cycling Club and, along with Charles E. Test and Edward Fletcher, he established the Indianapolis Chain and Stamping Company, which later became the Diamond Chain Company. By the end of the 1890s, Newby's business was supplying roughly 60% of American-made bicycle chains. From 1894 to 1899, Newby was also associated with Hay and Willits Manufacturing Company, which made outing bicycles, a popular brand. In 1898, Newby teamed with James A. Allison and Carl G. Fisher to construct the Newby Oval, a bicycle racing track near 30th Street and Central Avenue in Indianapolis. This trio later founded the Indianapolis Motor Speedway in 1909. By the turn of the 20th century, Newby focused upon automobile manufacture, co-founding the National Motor Vehicle Company, which built electric and gasoline-powered automobiles. In 1920, Arthur C. Newby gave a 140-acre farm located west of Mooresville, near Bingham and Greencastle Roads, together with considerable other property, to the Mooresville School Association. His wishes were that they would be sold and proceeds used toward the creation of a new school, with the stipulation that it be named in memory of his uncles, William and Milton Newby. Mooresville's existing elementary school, the Academy Building, which originally housed Mooresville High School, was filling more and more each year. The William and Milton Newby Memorial Elementary School was decided upon and plans were drawn in 1935. Construction began in January 1936. The cost was approximately $93,000. The architectural style was Georgian colonial. The new building included 10 classrooms, a recreation room, cafeteria and kitchen, 4 dressing rooms, the principal's office, a suite for first aid, music and art supervisor's office, teachers' restrooms, a workshop for the custodians, and a large storage room were also included in the plan. The school grounds covered about 8 acres of picturesque, rolling, and wooded lot.